Buying property the smart way starts with understanding the basics. You need clarity on what type of property fits your lifestyle and goals. Location is the foundation of every good property decision. Study the roads, access points, surroundings, and future development of the area. A strong location can protect your investment even if the property itself is simple. Next comes budgeting. A smart buyer plans beyond the purchase price and considers long-term comfort, maintenance, and future flexibility. Always stay within a realistic budget that allows peace of mind. Inspection is where smart decisions are made. Study construction, quality, natural light, ventilation, and overall layout. Small details like wall finishing, drainage flow, and space planning reveal the true condition of a property. Comparing multiple options helps you see value clearly. When you step back and analyze differences, the right choice often becomes obvious. Finally, a smart property decision is not rushed. It balances location, budget, quality, and long-term value. When all these elements align, you don't just buy property, you secure confidence, stability, and a better future.